Welcome to Valle de Bravo. This town is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I went to the open market and bought some stuff, and now I have to take them back to the car. I parked somewhere on Calle del Verde, Vergel. I don't know how to pronounce it well. Now I'm going away a little bit from the city center. I want to go. Makes me feel like I want to go on every single street and see everything around here. So beautiful. As I said, a bit later I'm going to the lake to see what is up there. So I left everything to the car, and now it's time I tell you how I got here. What I did is I drove from Mexico City, from Polanco to here, and the road is very easy. Only highways, motorways, autopistas, how they call them. And the traffic was really nothing. We started around 7 a.m. and we got here, well, more like 8 a.m. because we got here at 10 a.m. just before 10 a.m. So around 2 hours we needed to get here, and then we got a really nice breakfast in a very nice place. Let me check what's the name. So the name is La Batucada. I've been away from Mexico for 1 month, and I guess my lungs forgot to breathe at the altitude. The one thing I noticed on the way here, there were a ton of cyclists on the highways. It's like crazy. Some of them would have even cars after them to service them with water, food, whatever they needed along the way. And on the highway, it's crazy. I remember I've seen a lot of them, a lot of videos taken on the highways on YouTube, but I was like, maybe they did it just on purpose for the YouTube. But no, today there were like hundreds and hundreds of cyclists. Sadly, I could not take any video on my GoPro because while driving it's better to drive and don't mind with other stuff. Anyway, let me show you more of the beauty. And now I'm approaching the restaurant. So the restaurant is somewhat on the back of the main church. You can see here. Oh, let me see. La Batucada Hotel and Restaurant. It's absolutely beautiful inside. Very interesting for me. There are a lot of small businesses everywhere. It's crazy. Everywhere is a corner to discover. This is a hotel. It's crazy. Everywhere there is something nice. Some vintage cars. A driver that talks on the phone, which is nothing unusual for here. I love these old buildings with old architecture, with real stuff on them, not just like a paper. Oh, this is something I have never seen in a long time. This is computer play game on loving Valle de Bravo. Some more handmade like stuff. It doesn't look too bright.
Esse amor é belíssimo.